Giggles! English! Giggles!
Animal quiz 1. I am a pet. I like milk and fish. I say meow. What am I? I am a cat. I live in the zoo. I am black and white. I look like a horse. What am I? I am a zebra. I live in the zoo. I have a tall neck. I am brown and yellow. What am I? I am a giraffe. I live in the sea. I have sharp teeth. I am dangerous. What am I? I am a shark. I live on a farm. I say cluck, cluck. I lay eggs. What am I? I am a chicken. I live in the zoo. I am big and grey. I have a long nose. What am I? I am an elephant. I like bananas. I climb trees. I am brown. What am I? I am a monkey. I live in the zoo. I am orange and black. I am dangerous. What am I? I am a tiger. I live in the sea. I have a head. I have 8 legs. What am I? I am an octopus. I am a fish. I live in a bowl. I am gold. What am I? I am a goldfish. See you later.